Hello, I'm Nadia McLeod from Emery Legal Kits, and we help businesses cut their legal costs with our online template kits. Retail tenancy laws throughout Australia have been developed to protect the interest of small business and consumers, and to assist in levelling the playing field for the parties involved. They seek to provide this protection by making sure that prospective tenants have sufficient information to make a sound business decision about entering into or renewing a retail shop lease agreement. The type of lease that you enter into will depend on a number of factors, including the premises itself and what you wish to use it for. Each state has its own legislation or act that defines the type of premises and whether the act will apply. Whether you're a landlord or a tenant, it's imperative you understand your rights and obligations under the relevant act and honour your obligations under the lease agreement to ensure you stay out of the legal minefield. The retail tenancy law is very clear in most Australian states. A landlord in a retail lease must not, in connection with the lease, engage in conduct that is misleading or deceptive to a tenant or guarantor. A party who suffers damage by reason of misleading or deceptive conduct of another party may make a claim for compensation. The Emery retail shop tenancy agreements have been professionally drafted to comply with the laws in each state. Download the one relevant to you now, follow the simple instructions, and that will give you the protection that you need.